Hello everybody, I'm here with Brian from Stratasys. Brian, how are you?
I'm doing great.
I'm excited. We're here to announce that we now have the MEDFLX625 material, which is allowing us to print indirect bonding trays without having to print the model first.
Correct, and really the nice thing about Stratasys is the ability, if the MEDFLX625, let's say, is too flexible or not flexible enough for a particular application, let's say indirect bonding trays, we have the capability of mixing in our MED610 to give it a little bit more flex or a little bit less flex.
A little more stiffer.
So it's customization for the specific application.
Okay.
And the other thing is, what's nice about it is all these materials are biocompatible.
That's great. Yeah.
So they can go, of course, go into the mouth.
Well, I'm excited about this.
Well, so are we.
Well, good. That makes two of us. Well, good deal. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.